is Terry, and my username on Amazon is Miss T Lancy, and I am back from the not so hot state of Texas today where the weather is actually awesome. And I'm over at my adopted sissy's house where her tree is dying in her front yard. It's slowly dying, and a large branch came down a few days ago. And I had just purchased this 6-inch mini chainsaw that's compatible with the M18 lithium batteries on Amazon for $69.99. So today I am going to put this to use. So let's see if I can do this without, let's see, give you guys a quick demonstration. This thing is legit for $69.99 before tax. This is an awesome little piece of equipment. So I've got my 16-inch chainsaw, my Milwaukee, and then I've got this that I can just come in here. That's right through it. That's right through it, so it works. Here, Devin. Bad deal at all. So we got the pruners out here. It cuts through it like butter. This thing is the real deal. I'm gonna get on off this video. We're gonna try to clear this up in the next 3 hours. So with big grip pruners, this little 6-inch mini chainsaw, and it can also, there's also an 8-inch blade that I can switch it out for. But I won't even have to bring out the big chainsaw until we clean all this up with this 6-inch chainsaw and this big mouth grip pruner here. I've got mine. You all need to get your own, and I'm gonna wish you guys an awesome Texas. Bye. Staying in shape here in Texas, y'all. Working any way I can make it work out, I'm gonna do it. Now, bye.
About 4 inches.